Welcome to a session on leveraging Python packages for data science. Here's what we'll cover. We'll start by learning how to import packages in Jupyter. Then, we'll discuss how to install Python packages. Finally, we'll review some key data science packages you should know. Let's begin with Python packages. These are collections of functions, classes, and objects that extend Python's capabilities. You import them using import, like import pandas, or with an alias for brevity, like import pandas as PD. To use functions from these packages, you employ dot notation, such as a PD, read_CSV, for reading CSV files. You can also import specific functions from a package for more targeted usage. When you start a Python environment, you're initially equipped with basic language elements. Importing packages brings additional functionality into memory from your hard drive. Here, we see how to import numpy with an alias and read a specific function from pandas. Once imported, using these packages is straightforward with dot notation. Here, we're reading a CSV file into a data frame, checking its shape, and using a numpy function to flatten data. Now, let's talk about obtaining packages. Not all are pre-installed. They're downloaded from repositories. Some packages require others to function, known as dependencies. To manage this, we use package managers like pip, which comes with Python, or conda. These tools allow you to install, update, or remove packages through terminal commands. If you try to use a package that's not installed, you'll encounter a module not found error. To fix this, you'd install the package using pip in the terminal, which also handles any required dependencies. Moving to common data science packages, we have numpy for numerical computations, pandas for data manipulation using data frames, scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms, matplotlib, pyplot for basic data visualization, seaborn for more advanced visualizations, which integrates well with pandas, scipy, stats for statistical functions, stats models for statistical modeling and inference. Wrapping up, Python packages significantly expand Python's use in data science. They're imported with simple statements, installed via package managers, and choosing the right one can make your data science tasks much more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.